Hello everyone. Today I am going to give an introduction to the subject topology. What is topology and what is the literal meaning of the word topology? The word topo means surface and the word logo means study. It is nothing but study of surface. While doing space research, it was necessary to study the subjects or the surface of the space objects. That was the starting of the subject topology actually. And here, how do we connect it to mathematics and what type of examples to give the topology in mathematics, and that was we going to see here. And here is the definition of topology. Let X be a non-empty set. A class T of subsets of X is called a topology on X. If T satisfies the following axioms, that mean conditions. The first condition is X comma pi null set belongs to T, and the second condition is the union of every class of sets in T is a set in T, and the third condition is the intersection of every finite class of sets in T is a set in T. Then T is called a topology on X. And here is example. If we take T1 equals to the set of null set and the full set, that means X satisfies these three conditions. Pi comma X belongs to T, it satisfies the first condition, and the second condition is union of every class of sets in T is a set in T. If in this set T1 equals to the set of null set and the full set, its union becomes X, and the third condition, this intersection becomes null set. Then T1 is a topology for X. Then this example satisfies the three conditions, then it becomes T1 is a topology for X. This is the main concept of topology. Using this, we can study about many surfaces existing in the world or even in the space. With this, I conclude the introduction section. Thank you.